If you like the video, please subscribe Technical PCT channel and click the bell icon to get the latest videos.
Good afternoon, everyone. And today, the continuation of yesterday's chapter. Please write down the question which is on the board. And if you observe that LHS, okay, that is A minus B minus C, 2A, and 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, C minus A minus B, right? This is very lengthy problem. Try to do it very slowly. First of all, check the RHS. RHS has been given as A plus B plus C whole cube. Which operation is to be done to do? That means to get A plus B plus C in right hand side. That is the thing which you should observe. Take 1 minute time. Do slowly because these are the problems which are very important. And of course, those are lengthy also. Observe, suppose if I add these three, am I going to get A plus B plus C? Observe here, small a positive, minus B plus 2B, it is B, minus C plus 2C, it is also B, it is also C, right? So R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, am I right? That means which is equals to R1 A, okay, minus B plus 2B, it is B, plus minus C plus 2C, it is, okay, that means it becomes 2A, okay, observe, 2A minus B minus C minus A, 2A minus A, already B is here, positive, 2C minus C, it is C. And here also A plus B plus C. Okay. Next one. Here 2B as it is. B minus C minus A as it is. 2B again. And 2C as it is. 2C as it is. C minus A minus B as it is. Now, if you observe this one closely, you can take A plus B plus C from the first row. That means taking A plus B plus C outside from R1. I am going to get, observe, A plus B plus C outside det of 1, 1, 1. Am I right what I wrote? And here it is 2B. It is B minus C minus A. It is 2B. Okay. Now 2C, C minus A minus B. Am I right? Now another two values you should get as A plus B plus C only, right? So which operation is to be done? Observe that one. C1 changes to C1 minus C2. Better, man. C1 minus C2. You are going to get C1 changes to C1 minus C2. C2 changes to C2 minus C3. Observe that one. Observe that one. That means C1 changes to C1 minus C2. C2 changes to C2 minus C3. That means A plus B plus C outside det of, observe, 1 minus 1 value 0, 2B minus B, it is B, minus of minus, it is plus C, minus of minus plus C. That means you are going to get A plus B plus C, 2C minus 2C, 0. Okay, and I am repeating this step. Observe it clearly. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, 2B minus B, it is B, minus of minus plus C, minus of minus plus A. Okay, Now C2 minus C3, this is 0. B minus C minus A minus 2B means you are going to get minus A minus B minus C. And 2C, observe here, B, I am repeating this step, B minus 2B. What it becomes? Minus B, right? Minus C minus A, okay? And here it is 2C minus C. Repeating, 2C minus C. It is C minus of minus A plus B. So you are going to get again A plus B plus C. And here this column as it is. Okay. From the first okay, B from C1 plus B plus C outside, another A plus B plus C, it becomes square, another A plus B plus C, it becomes cube. Zero, 1, 0, and here it is 0. B, C minus A minus B. So you are going to get the answer as the determinant value as 1. Copy up to here, I will finish the next problem. That means next step. Yeah, I'm observing in the chat box that sir, please voice is not clear. I hope it is clear now. Am I right? Wanted your response. Is it clear now? Thank you. And another one, screen is blur. Okay, is it clear now? Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. And write down, I am going to repeat it. I am going to repeat it. Observe. I am going to repeat it. The first step. Very important. Do slowly. Do slowly. Okay. Nothing to worry. Do slowly. Very important for 4 marks question. Okay. See the question. See that LHS. Okay. Observe. R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, right? So minus A minus B minus C plus 2B. It becomes A plus B, okay? Because minus B plus 2B value is B, okay? Minus C plus 2C is C, right? So this becomes A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. And see here, suppose if you got this step doubt, you just take that entire step outside and do, and that will be cleared, okay? Now, 2B, see here, after that, 2B and this row as it is, okay? Now I am going to take A plus B plus C outside, okay? Now I will get the first row as 1, 1, 1, right? And here the second one it is as it is, and the third row is it is as it is, right? And the next one, observe, I want to get another A plus B plus C 2 times. Why? Because that has been given A plus B plus C whole cube, right? So for that sake, A plus B plus C, another 2 A plus B plus C's I should get. Am I right? So for that sake, C1 changes to C1 minus C2 means 1 minus 1 value is obviously 0. And here C2 changes to, okay, I will do 1 minus 1 is 0. 2B minus B, it is B, okay? Minus of minus, it is C, that is positive. Minus of minus A, it is B, okay? So A plus B plus C, and here 0. Why? Because 2C minus 2C is obviously 0. Now 1 minus 1, it is 0. I'm applying the operation called C2 changes to C2 minus C3. C2 minus C3, 1 minus 1, 0. This is minus of A minus B minus C, and this is A plus B plus C, right? And the third column is as it is. You just take A plus B plus C outside, and here also A plus B plus C outside. I'm going to get A plus B plus C whole cube into this determinant. Now, just this one into, that means as usual, 0 into anything, 0, minus 0 into anything, 0, plus 1 into this column, this row gone. 1 into 1, 1 minus 0 is obviously 1. So, the entire determinant will becomes 1. Therefore, it becomes A plus B plus C whole cube. After this step, you should write that one. Copy it. Yeah, I think I got one text like, sir, explain once more, please. I think I explained it, right? Yeah, after this step, expanding the determinant. We get A plus B plus C whole cube into this entire value becomes 1 by using the determinant of, that means by expanding the determinant using R1. Okay, take down. Hope you understood this. Very important problem. Copy this one. Yes, write on the next problem. Take down the next problem. Prove that det of 1x x square 1 I'm sorry, x square 1x x square 1 is equal to 1 minus x cube whole square. Square, am I right? And here it is x, it is 1, and it is x square, and it is x square x1. Okay, I hope you understood this step. Now, these three are same now. You just take that one outside, taking 1 plus x square from C1 out, right? That means 1 plus x square, you got it out, and 1 it will be there. X1 x square will be there. X square x1 will be here, right? Right? And after that step, what to do? Observance. Whether I am getting the RHS or not, whether I am close to RHS or not. You should think of it, right? Now, I am going through. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R2 changes to R2 minus R3. Observe. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R2 changes to R2 minus R3. Okay, observe here. So 1 plus x square is outside, that of. Okay, 1 minus 1 value is obviously 0. X minus 1 you are going to get, and it is x square minus x you are going to get, right? And here also 1 minus 1 0, it is 1 minus x square, and it is x minus 1. Okay, and write down this one as 1 x square 1 as it is. Okay, now observe, I am repeating this step. R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 value is 1 minus 1 0, the first step. X minus 1, okay, the second element, right? X square minus x is the third element, right? And here 1 minus 1 is obviously 0, right? And that means this operation I am explaining now. R2 changes to R2 minus R3, right? So 1 minus 1 value 0, right? 1 minus x square, the second element, okay? X minus 1 is the third element, okay? And R3 as it is. I think you understood it, right? Next step. Observe. Now what to do? You just take 1 minus x outside from the first row. Observe it. Take 1 plus x square into. Take 1 minus x outside from the first row and take 1 minus x from the second row. Okay, you are going to get 0. Okay, this becomes minus 1. Okay, now this becomes, if I take minus x common, I am going to get like, it is minus x. Observe this one. X square minus x can be written as, if I take x, it becomes x minus 1. If I take minus x, it becomes 1 minus x, right? So I took 1 minus x outside and I took 1 minus x from the first row. Again 1 minus x from the second row, 0. This is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? So this is 1 plus x. Why? Because 1 minus x you got outside, so it is 1 plus x. You just multiply these two. Sorry. You just multiply these two. 1 minus x into 1 plus x is equal to 1 minus x square, right? And here you got x minus 1 outside, it is minus 1. Okay. Now, third row as it is. Now you are having one formula. What is that formula? I am going to write here. A square plus AB plus B square into A minus B is equal to A cube minus B cube. Am I right? So, instead of only this part, you can write 1 minus x cube, okay, into 1 minus x into that of this, expand this determinant by using column number 1. That means you are going to get this element into, excluding this one and this one, you are going to get, observe, 1 into excluding this. That means I am using column number 1. Any row or any column can be used to expand the determinant. That is the property number 1. Okay. So this element into this column, this row, gone. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1 minus of minus, it becomes x into 1 plus x. That means you are going to get 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Now you got the same formula. 1 minus x cube whole square. I am repeating. A minus b, observe students, observe. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square is equal to A cube minus B cube, right? So it becomes A cube 1 minus X cube. Already 1 minus X cube is here. 1 minus X cube, it becomes total. This quantity becomes 1 minus X cube. So 1 minus X cube into 1 minus X cube is equal to 1 minus, please. What is the RHS value he has given you? He has given you 1 minus X cube whole square. Observe the first step. C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. If I add 3 columns, I am going to get the first column as 1 plus X square. 1 plus X square. 1 plus X square as first step, that is first column. Okay. And second column as it is, the third column as it is, right? Now I am going to take 1 plus X square outside. Okay, so I am going to get 1 plus X square outside. First column I am going to get 1, 1, 1. First column I am going to get 1, 1, 1. Second column X1 X square as it is. Third column X square X1 as it is, right? Now, the third step I am repeating, observe, that is R1 changes to R1 minus R2. That means I am going to get 1 minus 1 value is 0, okay? And R2 changes to R2 minus R3. That is also 0, observe here. This is the step, okay? It is over. Now this one, R1 changes to R1 minus R2. Observe, this is as it is I wrote. Okay. Now, 1 minus 1 value is 0. Okay. X minus 1. R1 minus R2 now. X square minus X. Okay. Now, R2 changes to R2 minus R3. R2, this one, minus R3. This row minus this row. 1 minus 1. 1 minus X square. X minus 1. Am I right? Now, here, third row as it is, like 1 X square 1. Okay. Now, after this one, you just observe the RHS what has been given 1 minus X cube whole square. So what I mean to say is you just taking, observe I am writing here, okay? Taking 1 minus X common from, okay, R1 and R2. Okay, now I am going to take 1 minus X common from R1. I am going to take 1 minus X common from R1. So it is. And I took 1 minus X from R2. Okay. And it becomes dead off. See, this is 0. This is X minus 1. Observe. X minus 1 can be written as minus of 1 minus X. Okay. So if I take 1 minus X outside here, you will get only minus 1. I think you understood now. And here, another one, X square minus X is here. If I take minus X common, I am going to get 1 minus X, right? You just take this 1 minus X outside, then it will be minus X. I think you understood now. Now, 0 as it is. And from R2 also, I am going to take 1 minus X common. So this is A square minus B square. Observe. 1 square minus X square. A square minus B square can be written as A plus B into A minus B. Okay. We took this one out. So you will have only 1 plus X. Right. And here you know X minus 1. If I take 1 minus X common, I am going to get minus 1 here. Right. Now I hope you understood this now. And here, this is in the form of, I am writing this formula. See here, I wrote this formula here already, right? A square plus AB plus B square into A minus B is equal to A cube minus B cube. So this becomes A cube, 1 cube minus B cube, X cube. Already that means this part can be written like this, and 1 minus X as it is. And you just expand the determinant. Sir, you expanded by using column number 1. You expand by using row 1 as it is. General expansion. Even you expand like that also, you are going to get the same. So 1 minus X, I got 1 plus X plus X into X square. Again same formula. 1 minus X into 1 plus X square is equal to, this part becomes 1 minus X cube. 1 minus X cube into 1 minus X cube is equal to 1 minus X cube whole square. That is RHS. Copy this one. Yes. Take on the next problem. Over. Okay. Copy the next problem. Copy the next problem. This is very, very important. Write down det of 1 minus a square minus b, 1 plus a square minus b square, 2ab minus 2b, 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square, 2a. 2b minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square is equals 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Copy this one and take 2 minutes time. Which operation is to be used to get 1 plus a square plus b square? Observe here, you are having 1 plus a square minus b square. Okay. Only 2 steps is the answer. Just only 2 steps is the answer. After those 2 operations, you should go through the normal expansion of determinant. You are going to get the answer. Check once which operation is to be used. Take your own time, 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes time to expand. Our aim is not to make the determinant 0 or 1. Our aim is to get RHS by using properties. And in objective, that means in objective you are having shortcuts, so nothing to worry. There is no need to do this much problems in objective. At the time of objective, we are going to teach you the shortcut methods for this one. But in PU, you can't use those shortcuts. Why? Because it comes for 4 marks question. Because I am observing in the chart box, sir, is there any shortcut? Obviously, it is there, but you should not use in PU. So there is no alternate to you. You should use only these methods to do. But you can reduce the steps. There is no government order to follow only my method. But you can do the problem, you can execute the problem, you can execute the answer in any method, but it should be correct. The operations which you are using should be correct. Okay, I am going to write the operations on the board. Try it. Okay. R1 changes to, okay, R1 changes to R1 minus B into R3. It is not a minus, it is plus. B into R3. R2 changes to R2 minus A into R3. These are the 2 steps. I said that there are only 2 steps to do. I have given you the 2 steps. These are the first 2 steps only. To get after these 2, you can expand the determinant. Observe, take one rough book and rough paper and finish the problem by using those 2 operations. Sir, can we use columns? Obviously, you can use columns. You can use columns. See, my intention is here, observe. First step, R1, 1 plus, I am writing here, 1 plus A square minus B square, okay? Plus B into R3. B into R3 becomes what? 2B into B. It becomes 2B square. If I finish this one, I am going to get 1 plus A square minus B square plus 2B square is equal to B square you are going to get. But what is RHS? 1 plus A square plus B square whole square. So we got this, right? Similarly, okay, on the next step, that means I got R1 1 plus a square plus b square here by writing that formula, but by writing that step. Observe, R1 changes to R1 plus b into R3. So you are going to get 1 plus a square plus b square, okay? And here 2ab, okay, 2ab plus minus of 2a into b into R3 na. So here it becomes minus 2ab plus 2ab, it is 0. I think you got it. And the third element, here it is minus 2b, observe, minus 2b, okay, plus b into this b minus a square b minus of, minus b cube I am going to get. So here minus 2b plus b, it is minus b minus a square b minus b cube. Take minus b common, you are going to get 1, okay, plus a square plus b square. So you are going to get minus b into 1 plus a square plus b square, okay. Now this is the first row operation, and second row R2 changes to R2 minus a into R3. Do this one. Now observe. Take each and every element. If you got any doubt, what I am doing here, you just do. Okay, like that. Observe. Take this element R2, 2ab R2. Okay, minus a into what is R3? 2b. Observe. 2ab minus 2ab plus 2ab cancel. It is 0. Okay. Now, second element, 1 minus a square plus b square. This is R2. Minus a into R3 minus 2a. Am I right? Now observe, 1 minus a square plus b square minus into minus plus 2a square. Plus 2a square minus a square. It is 1 plus a square. Am I right? That means you are going to get 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay. Now the next element is 2a minus of a into this element a1 minus a square minus b square. Observe what you are going to get. Observe this, what you are going to get. 2a minus a plus a square, sorry, a cube plus ab square. Okay. Now 2a minus a. Take a common, that means a, observe, a plus a cube plus ab square. Now take a common, 1 plus a square plus b square you will get. So similarly, I took a outside, 1 plus a square plus b square. Now the third row as it is, 2b minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, this is the determinant. Now, over take that one, that means taking 1 plus a square plus b square common from R1 and R2. Okay, I am going to get the top 1, 0 minus b. This is outside now. 1 plus a square plus b square is outside. And in determinant you are going to get 1, 0 minus b. Okay, 0, 1, a, and the third one 2b minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, now observe this one carefully. Just expand the determinant by using already, it means already first row you took this one out, it becomes whole square. Now 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 into, exclude this column and this row and these two, 1 minus a square minus b square minus of minus plus 2a square. Okay, minus 0 into anything is obviously 0. Minus b into, exclude this row and this column, you are going to get 0 minus 2b. Okay, So the answer should be 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into, observe this one carefully, minus 2a square plus 2a square. Sorry, 2a square minus a square. It is here 1 plus a square, okay, minus b square, here plus 2b square. It is plus b square. That means you are going to get 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Take down RHS. Take down the RHS. And tomorrow we can see the remaining problems. Good day.